Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Changelly with a credit card. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to changelly.com. You can come here to buy or even sell. So I'll come here to the buy section. I'll choose my currency. I'll choose US dollars. Okay, and then just choose the currency that you want to buy. Say it's Bitcoin or USDT. For USDT, I'll actually choose BSC right here for Binance Smart Chain. Then you enter the amount, let's say $100 worth, right? Then what you need to do is come here where you see pay with. Click on view all offers. And here you'll see your card options, right? And what you want to do, you can filter as well. You can click on Visa/MasterCard. So these are the card options. You can get it on MoonPay, for example, Unlimited, Word. Choose the best price for you. I'll choose this one, okay? And then you just go ahead and move on to the next step where you paste in your destination address for your USDT. Okay. After you've entered that, click here on next step. And then you just proceed to checkout. Okay. And all you need to do is go ahead and pay with your card, right? On the provider section, you just enter your details, enter your card details, and you'll be able to use it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.